What if you could ask a simple question about any location and an AI would figure out how to answer it, find the data, run the analysis, and give you results all on its own? That's exactly what I created. Let me show you. This is not a chatbot that just talks. This is an agent that reasons through problems step by step, just like an experienced GIS analyst would. It understands your question, picks the right analysis strategy, queries real data from OpenStreetMap, and delivers results you can actually use. This is Agentic GIS, and I want to show you exactly how it works. If you've ever tried to evaluate a neighbourhood, maybe for a client, for a report, or just for yourself, you know how tedious it is. Check for schools, check for hospitals, public transport, supermarkets, each one a separate search. Copy the results somewhere. Try to make sense of it all. What if one question could do all of that? Let me show you. I've got my GeoAI agent running here. This is a Streamlit app I built as part of my course on Agentic AI in GIS. First, I'll pick a location. This is Dalston in East London. Let's say someone is thinking of moving here with their family. They want to know, is this a good place to live? The agent now knows where we are looking. You can see the coordinates here. Evaluate the accessibility of this area for families. That's it. No technical jargon or criteria. Just a question. Let's see what happens. Now watch the reasoning panel. This is the agent thinking through the problem step by step. Step 1, it's understanding what I asked. Step 2, it's selecting a strategy. It recognizes this is an accessibility question, so it's choosing the accessibility analysis approach. Step 3, it's setting parameters. It's using a 1000 meter search radius. And now it's executing querying OpenStreetMap for real data, healthcare, schools, shops, transport, pharmacies. This is real data being fetched right now. Not synthetic, not preloaded, real locations from OpenStreetMap. And here come the results. The overall rating is excellent. 100%. A perfect score. That's 25 out of 25 on the accessibility index. But here's where it gets useful. The breakdown shows exactly what's nearby. Healthcare 15 clinics and hospitals found. Score 5 out of 5. Places like ABC Pharmacy, de Beauvoir Surgery, schools and education 22 found. Score 5 out of 5. Holy Trinity Primary, Mossbourne Parkside Academy. Supermarkets and shops 21 found. Score 5 out of 5. Tesco Express, Dalston Local Store. Public transport, and this is impressive, 171 stops found. Dalston Junction, Shacklewell Lane. Score 5 out of 5. Pharmacies 5 found. Score 5 out of 5. And on the map, you can see the search radius color-coded green because this area scored excellent. All of that from one plain English question. No manual searching, no switching between tabs, no spreadsheets. The agent understood the goal, figured out the steps, fetched the data, and delivered results. About 30 seconds of work. That's Agentic GIS. Now, you might be thinking, I could do this manually. And yes, you could. But manually, you'd search for each category separately. Cross-reference locations, estimate distances, compile everything into a report. That's 30 minutes to an hour of work. This agent did it in 30 seconds. And more importantly, it reasoned through the problem. It didn't just follow a script, it understood what I was asking and figured out how to answer it. That reasoning process, that's what makes this an agent, not just automation. So what does this mean for you if you're a GIS professional, a planner, a consultant, or anyone who works with location data? It means you can answer client questions in minutes instead of hours. It means the tedious data gathering can be automated so you focus on interpretation and decisions. And it means you can build agents like this yourself. The code isn't magic, it's learnable. If you want to try something like this yourself, You don't need to build a full agent to start. Open ChatGPT, try this prompt. I need to evaluate a location for families. What data would I need to check, and how would I score each factor? Give me a step-by-step plan. That's the reasoning part. Once you understand the logic, you can start automating each step like I did with this agent. This agent is part of my course Agentic AI in GIS. It's live now on Udemy. It covers everything from basic prompting to building full agents like this one with memory systems, API integration, and chain of thought reasoning. If you want to learn how to build this yourself, not just use it, but actually build it, the link is in the description. But honestly, just start experimenting. Ask questions. See what works. That's how I learned. That's how you'll learn too. I'm making more videos on this specific techniques, different types of spatial analysis, common mistakes to avoid, and real project walkthroughs. If you don't want to miss those, subscribe and hit the bell. And drop a comment. What kind of location analysis do you do regularly that you'd love to automate? I might build an agent for it in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.